Hi, I'm John from Barnstable Fine & Country, and today we are at Brook Cottage. Sat in gardens and grounds of 10 acres, this beautiful 3 double-bedroom thatched home is located in the sought-after area of Middle Marwood. As you walk into the property, you are greeted with an archway and downstairs toilet, leading through to a really impressive kitchen breakfast room. This room has been recently refurbished to incorporate character features and modern comforts, such as a Ray-Ban and exposed walls. There is also a door joining into the dining room, which is a really impressive space that hosts plenty of room for a table and chairs for family and friends. Off this room also is the lounge, which is an incredibly cosy room with dual aspect and inglenook fireplace with wood burner. To the first floor are 3 double bedrooms, all of which are really good sized doubles and benefit from fitted wardrobes. One bedroom benefits from a balcony overlooking the gardens, and one also has access to a singular shower room and family bathroom with 4-piece suite. The property also features a stone-built summer house, which lends itself for a potential annex with a beautiful Indian sandstone sun terrace. To the front of the property is a sweeping driveway that provides access for various vehicles to park, manicured gardens and 2 ponds. And to the rear of the property there are grounds which would be very suited for small holding opportunities. If you are seeking a small holding opportunity, there is additional land available by separate negotiation of approximately 11 acres. Heading south to the property, you can find a tranquil woodland packed with nature. Behind me, you'll find a double garage and a cluster of outbuildings which lend themselves for further development, subject to necessary planning. If you're looking for a home in the heart of the North Devon countryside, then this beautiful property may be for you. Give us a call on 01271 347 861.